Muscle building is not just about aesthetics, it's about improving your overall health. When we talk about muscle building, we're discussing the process of developing our body's natural armor. It's a journey towards increased strength, allowing you to carry heavier loads and perform daily tasks with ease. But muscle building isn't solely about physical prowess. It also plays a significant role in maintaining your balance and posture. By strengthening your core muscles, you're setting the foundation for a well-aligned and upright stance, reducing the risk of injuries and strains. Moreover, did you know that muscles are your body's primary fat-burning engines? Yes, indeed. The more muscle mass you have, the higher your metabolism, which means you burn more calories even at rest. And let's not forget the mental health benefits. Regular strength training can boost your mood, improve sleep, and reduce stress and anxiety. So you see, muscle building is truly a game changer for both your body and mind. Before we dive into the muscle building exercises, warming up is crucial to prepare your body and avoid injuries. Let's kick things off with some simple warm-up exercises that can be done right at home. Firstly, we have jogging in place. It's a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and blood flowing. Try to keep a steady rhythm, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even throw in some high knees. Next, we're going to transition into some arm circles. Start with small circles and gradually make them bigger. This helps to loosen up your shoulders and prepares them for the workout ahead. Finally, let's wrap up the warm-up with some light stretching. Focus on your major muscle groups like your legs, back, and arms. Remember, the goal is to feel a slight pull, not pain. Now that your body is warmed up, let's start with the first muscle-building exercise. Squats are a fantastic exercise for building leg and core strength. Let's break it down into doable steps. Start by standing tall, feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and eyes focused straight ahead. Now, as if you're about to sit in an imaginary chair, push your hips back and bend your knees. Keep your back straight and ensure that your knees are in line with your feet. Go as low as you can, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Now this is the crucial part, the rise. Push through your heels, keep your chest up and your back straight as you rise back to the standing position. That's one complete squat. Aim for at least 10 squats to start with and gradually increase this number as you grow stronger. Remember, form is key in squats to maximize muscle gain and prevent injuries. So take your time, maintain the correct posture, and you'll be on your way to stronger, more powerful legs and core. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets your chest and arms. Let's break it down. Start by placing your hands flat on the ground, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your feet should be set up in a way that feels right and balanced. Now, engage your core and make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your body toward the ground. Keep your body straight and lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor. Pull-ups are a challenging but rewarding exercise for your back and arms. Begin by gripping the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart, palms facing outwards. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar, keeping your elbows close to your body. Slowly lower yourself back down without completely straightening your arms. Repeat this process, remembering to keep your core engaged throughout. Pull-ups may be tough at first, but with consistency, you'll see great results. Lunges are another excellent exercise for your legs and core. To perform a perfect lunge, start by standing tall. Then take a step forward with one foot, lowering your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your back knee is just above the ground but not touching it. Push off the front foot to return to the starting position. Switch legs and repeat. Remember, keep your torso upright throughout. Lunges can be done anywhere, making them a versatile addition to your routine. Planks are a simple but powerful exercise for your core. To correctly hold a plank, start by placing your hands directly under your shoulders, keeping your feet hip-width apart. Engage your core and ensure your body forms a straight line from your head to your feet. Remember to breathe, and try to hold this position as long as you can without compromising your form. Although challenging, planks are a must for a strong core, so don't skip out on them in your workout routine. Deadlifts are a comprehensive exercise that works multiple muscle groups at once. This potent movement can be a game changer in your muscle building journey, engaging your hamstrings, glutes, and core to your upper body, including your back and shoulders. Here's how to do it correctly. First, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place the barbell over your midfoot. Now, bend at your hips and knees to reach down and grasp the barbell. Make sure your arms are straight and outside of your knees. Next, lift your chest, straighten your back, and look ahead. This is your starting position. Now, keeping your core engaged, push through your heels and lift the barbell by extending your hips and knees. Make sure to keep the barbell close to your body throughout the lift. Once you're standing fully upright, lower the barbell by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Deadlifts are a complex exercise, but they're worth mastering for their muscle-building power. The bench press is a classic chest exercise. Let's break down the steps to correctly perform this timeless move. Start by lying flat on your back on the bench. Your feet should be flat on the ground, and your eyes should be under the bar. Now grab the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lift the bar from the rack, holding it straight over your chest with your arms fully extended. Next, inhale as you lower the bar slowly until it skims the middle of your chest. Ensure your elbows are at a 90-degree angle at this point. Now exhale and push the bar back to the starting position. Remember to keep your back flat on the bench throughout the movement. Performing this exercise with the correct technique is important to avoid injury and ensure maximum muscle engagement. Adjust the weight as needed to comfortably complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. The bench press is a staple in any muscle-building routine targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. To recap, muscle building is not just about looking good, but feeling good too. We've journeyed through the realm of strength training, starting with the importance of muscle building, then diving into warm-up exercises to prepare our bodies for the workout ahead. We've explored squats, a fantastic full-body workout, and push-ups, a classic move targeting the chest and arms. Pull-ups made an appearance working our back and biceps, while lunges focused on our lower body strength. Planks, an excellent exercise for core stability, also had their moment of glory. The mighty deadlifts, a powerhouse move for the entire body, were not left behind, and finally we ended with the bench press, a staple exercise for chest development. Remember, consistency is key in muscle building, so start incorporating these exercises in your routine and watch your health transform. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.